Hiya, welcome to another composing session. We're looking at a somber and serious cue this week. Remember, all these briefs come from Dave Croft over at 52cues.com, which runs from January to December each year, challenging you to write a different cue each week. I've got a whole load of these on a playlist somewhere over there if you want to have a go at some more. But let's see what this week is all about. So we're diving into the darker, heavier side of storytelling. There are moments of deep conflict, emotional gravity. Musically, we're thinking deep strings, slow-moving piano. Think about emotional eliminators on Survivor, conflict in The Biggest Loser, stuff like that. So I'm going to try and come up with something. I probably won't be using a piano. I'll probably go for that low strings suggestion, and I'll put the full description of the brief down below along with the link to 52Q so you can go and check that out as well. Okay, see you when I've found something. Okay, so I've gone for Crow Hill String Murmurations, and I'm not worried too much about the actual melody and keys so much as a general idea. So I'm thinking sort of C minor at the moment. I've varied it here by leaving the G as the root note, but I'm still thinking we'll probably be somewhere in C minor. At the moment it sounds like this. So we've got the E flat on the top and then lower it to the D. And the murmurations are doing their thing. So I'm going to need something to build on top of that, but it's sounding quite serious at the moment. Well, Stratus seems to be working quite nicely if I start playing it and show you in here. This is Stratus, Oliver Arnold's, and I've randomized the grid and I'm using Swarms 3. It's really nice synth backing. Okay. What's next? Well, I went for some sound effect, soundscapey stuff, which I'll start playing now. And these are both from Gravity, the Submariner and Oceans effects. You can hear they run quite nicely in the background under that pad that's going on. So we're going to need maybe something melodic, we'll see. Well, if you want an instrument to sort of pull at your heartstrings, you can't go far wrong with a cor anglais. If you haven't got a cor anglais, bassoon, oboe combination could work. And you can hear I've played this in with the expression and dynamics to give it a more realistic feel. Really like that. Gonna have to have something to harmonise with it probably. Let's have a look. Okay, so I've got a harmony in Abbey Road 1 thematic horns, and you can see the pattern that these are going down, so that's a sort of depressing, slow, serious feeling. The cor anglais is going up, and what you'll notice is the notes do not necessarily line up. They do happen to restart there, but I've gone for more of a feeling rather than trying to get everything spot on accurate with quantizing. So you hear they come in but you get a feeling of things not being quite so happy. Quite like that. Okay, probably need some percussion, but that's probably about it. Okay, so yes, I have found some percussion, but I haven't gone mad. I didn't want anything that was a driving rhythm. So from Damage, we've got these low hits, but they're not on every beat. That would really knock out our sense of uncertainty with these interlinking melodies with the cor anglais and the horns. And I also found some mids in case I need them later. Again, they're not necessarily on the beat. So that should work quite well. I'm going to play it all for you as a little outro to hear what we've come up with. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that's always appreciated. And why not have a go at making one yourself? Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.